Welcome everyone to a new video from Alexis Hidalgo Tech. If you are a content creator, a vlogger, or just someone tired of terrible sounding audio from your phone, then you need to see this. This is the DJI Mic Mini, the ultra compact wireless system, and in today, we're just unboxing it. We're also doing the initial setup with our DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Two adorable little furry windscreens, a must-have for outdoor shooting. The necessary cables, a USB-C, a lightning adapter, and the 3.5mm TRS cable for cameras. All right, let's dive into the box. I have the kit with one receiver and two transmitters, perfect for interviews or two-person shoots. The first thing you notice is how incredibly small this case is. It feels solid, it's matte. Inside we get the charging case, which also acts as the battery bank. Two, the single receiver, or RX, which is the tiny brain of the operation, the two miniature transmitters, or TXS, with their built-in clip and mic. Let's talk about the transmitters. They are 100% ready to go. No external lav mic is needed unless you want to be extra discreet. The clip is strong, and it even has this magnetic plate option, which is fantastic for quick setup. The receiver has that built-in connector for phones, which is so smart. No messy wires. But the most important spec? The range. DJI claims up to 250 meters, or 820 feet, of wireless transmission. We're going to test that in another video. In this case, it's the MVP. It auto-pairs the mics the second you open it, and it gives you up to 15 hours of total recording time. That's a full day of shooting without stressing about batteries. Now let's pair our MyC with our Osmo Action. This method uses the camera's built-in Bluetooth feature, which is the cleanest way to connect a single or dual transmitter setup. Part 1. Prepare the Osmo Action 5 Pro 1. Power on the camera. Turn on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. 2. Access settings. Swipe down from the top edge of the camera's rear touchscreen to access the quick menu. 3. Go to wireless settings, tap the gear icon, settings, and then scroll to find and select wireless mic. 4. Enter pairing mode. The camera will display the connection screen for the transmitters, usually labeled TX1, TX2, etc. Part 2. Prepare the DJI mic transmitter. 1. Power on. Take the transmitters out of the charging case. If they are off, press and hold the power button for a moment to turn them on. 2. Enter pairing mode. 3. Find the linking button. This is usually a small button with the Wi-Fi/Bluetooth/linking icon, sometimes labeled with an L. 4. Press and hold. Press and hold the linking button on the transmitter S for about 2 to 3 seconds. 5. Check the indicator light. The status indicator light, LED, on the transmitter will begin to blink blue rapidly, sometimes blinking blue and green alternately, indicating it is in pairing/search mode. Part 3. Confirm connection 1. Watch the camera screen. The Osmo Action 5 Pro will detect the searching transmitter/transmitters. 2. Confirm. Once successfully paired, a confirmation message will appear on the camera screen, and the selected transmitter, for example, TX1, will show connected along with its battery level. 3. Check the transmitter. The status indicator light on the transmitter will turn solid blue. 1. Audio level meter. On your Osmo Action 5 Pro's live view screen, you should now see an audio level meter, VU meter, responding as you speak into the paired mic.